Absolutely not. I can't think of ways that would make it easier for Donald Trump to get reelected than listening to this conversation. It's ridiculous. We're not going to throw out capitalism. We tried that. Other countries tried that. It was called communism, and it just didn't work.
So let me make a proposal that will work.
You don't blow up a bridge, you build one. And so we need to improve the Affordable Care Act, not blow it up.
Let me just. You name check three of them. Let me get Senator Sanders in there.
To you occasionally.
Okay.
Go ahead, Senator Sanders.
Okay.
We'll get you in, Miss.
All right.
We got a lot of people in here that we got hit.
It's my turn, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Biden is not going to beat Trump. Biden is either near senile or actually senile. Watch any of the tapes. And Biden lies nonstop. He's going to get caught. He lies 1,000 times more than Hillary Clinton did, right? And you're going to run that guy against Trump, and we're going to lose to Trump again and maybe lose our democracy? Hell no. Hell no. No, Bernie Sanders is going to win this race.
Not so sure about that.
And it's in the manifesto that he agreed to with Bernie Sanders, crazy Bernie. Greatest loser on earth, Bernie Sanders. He gets beaten every time and he goes right back to work. I'll vote for this. I never saw a guy that could stand being beaten up so badly. He got hammered by the Hillary thing, but he really got hammered this last.
You'll be able to go about your lives knowing that the president is not going to retweet conspiracy theories about secret cabals running the world, or that Navy SEALs didn't actually kill bin Laden. Think about that. The president of the United States retweeted that. Imagine. What? We're not going to have a president that goes out of his way to insult anybody.
President Trump responded by tweeting yesterday that the Obama administration is turning out to be one of the most corrupt and incompetent in U.S. history.
She says in 1993, Mr. Vice President, that you pinned her against the wall and reached under her clothing and penetrated her with your fingers. Would you please go on the record with the American people? Did you sexually assault Tara Reade?
No, it is not true. I'm saying unequivocally, it never happened. And it didn't. It never happened.
7 different women have come forward and said Biden crossed the line with them. We're not counting Tara Reade, since that was a different level, allegedly.
And that's why you have to do something. You can make a difference. Well, you can save this country.
Joe, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to God, George. Father, Son, Holy Ghost, you're the team we love the most.
I promised Joe that I will give him that perspective and always be honest with him.
And is that a socialist or progressive perspective?
No. No, it is the perspective of a woman who grew up a black child in America.
I am totally undecided. I'd write your name in at this point.
Does the presence of Kamala Harris on the Democratic ticket sway you at all?
Not at all. I don't know who said she had our vote. She does not. We were supposed to grab onto Kamala with the black girl magic, but that didn't happen because she didn't right her wrongs.
Like, I hold officials accountable. I don't care what color you are.
Didn't tell Amy Coney O'Brien to vote any way on any issue. Some people say, some very brilliant legal minds say that Roe v. Wade should be overturned and burned in a trash can. Like Antifa is burning all of my ballots because everyone knows the radical left are trying to steal this election. They're taking down statues which are full of Trump votes. That's where the people place their votes, into the statues. And Antifa is stealing them and changing Trump to Kathy Griffin.